guys, welcome to my new video. For today, we're gonna unbox the hulkbuster from Avengers Infinity War, and let's get this. And let's just read the things. A specially designed suit from Stark Industries creates the smashing, crashing hero hulkbuster. That's pretty good. And let's just cut this open. And it is open, and let's just open this bad boy, and let's just remove the boxes. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and here we have the hulkbuster. You can just turn this head up and down, left and right, and we have this arm that can turn 360 degrees, and here's the other arm. See. And the hand is 360 also. And you can just split his hand. Split it. Okay. I can just see his leg can just split. And you can just move forward. So you have a sitting position. Alright. Now it's time for us to move this thing on. So let's just you can just pose him with I cannot just pose him. You can just afford this in every online shop, or you can just go in the shop, or you can just do it. And this thing doesn't look like in the painting. They painted except for this part. If you move it, you cannot see it anymore. Just steady, just paint this part and see what's in here. And some of the other parts are not painted, like with the recordings. And we don't have this. The back doesn't have a paint, and we are just having this. And the figure is not right. Look at this. Look at the face. Doesn't look like the actual picture of the face. It doesn't look like that one. And just do it. And this is just move the arms, and well, you just do this position. And this is my unboxing video, and please like and subscribe for more, and goodbye. Here we go. Press the button.
Oh, pick yourself